Boaters Net would like to offer a 2007 22-foot Polar Craft powerboat for sale. The boat currently resides in Mustang, Oklahoma, and the asking price is $12,385. The boat has a cruising speed of 35 knots, maximum speed of 45 knots, and holds approximately 20 gallons of fuel. Has a captain's chair, bench seats in the front and rear, has fish finder and stereo speakers. The owner states this 2007 Polar Craft holds 10 people, comes with a fish finder, fish well, captain's chair, 4 fishing chairs, has a Yamaha 2006 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor, and a 2007 trailer. Boat is ready to sell. For more information or pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.